What is Kigen Ko-So? It is a bio-drink containing EMBC complex fermentation enzyme created by new biotechnology in Japan. Kigen Ko-So is a wonderful natural health-promoting beverage that contains several enzymes essential to the health of the Japanese people and is useful for purifying diseases and pollutants. This product is an enzyme drink made from a new era of fermentation bioscience born from the fusion of traditional manufacturing methods of sake and new biotechnology. The developer is the president of the Sake Factory, which has been in business for more than 300 years, and a leading expert in microbial engineering. The Kigen Ko-So developed by our company and doctor is based on the enzyme components and microorganisms of pine, plum, loquat, chestnut, cherry, bamboo, fig, peach, persimmon, etc. This is a 100% naturally derived health promotion beverage made from plants that grow naturally in Japan. This product has a bitter smell, but does not mean that the product is getting worse. For your own health, if you keep drinking 30 cubic centimeters a day, you will feel a change in your body 1 month later. The health benefits of this product are expected to increase immunity. Many microorganisms act in the human body to maintain health. Their work is weakened by illness and aging. Kigen Ko-So is made to rejuvenate the weakened microorganisms and help maintain health. We continue to study this miraculous enzyme water daily to help maintain health and pollute the environment. For this product, we believe that it is good to prepare a body environment that can be used to prevent influenza and new coronavirus with the power of this product. We